Hey everybody, my name is DieselDucy, DieselDucy.com padlock demonstration. So this is the padlock we're going to view today. That's right, it's the padlock that used to be on my nan's shed. And here's the padlock. It's from Yale. There's the key hole, and here is the key. Yes, this key is modern. This key looks a bit modern to me. It's got the modern stamping on it. As you may see then, it's made in the UK, which is a sad thing. Let me demonstrate the padlock. So there's the padlock. Get the key here. Yes, I have found my iPod, but here it's better quality. And it stands up too. And I'll show you the locking lip. A small combination lock. So what will happen is, eventually, if you push this lock in, nothing actually happens. So this panel, and let's take one look at it with my other pair. This is like the one that DieselDucy filmed in the water, and this one was from my nan's shed. A very old one. It was seized up. So I was playing with the other one, which was like this one, but I think it had a different key. So that's it. This video. Just like it one more time. So that's it. This padlock video is going to be uploaded to YouTube.